Alright, so on this Cub Cadet, the clutch, this clutch here wasn't engaging, so I tested the clutch, I tested the switch. There's videos how to test the switch, the clutch. My problem, it was the switch that goes in there under this, so you gotta take this off, and it's the switch that for the reverse, but I didn't change it. This is another switch. This is bad too. What I did, I just wire a direct wire to it. So let me show what this does. So sometimes you would have continuity here, sometimes you wouldn't. So when you press, you shouldn't have anything, and when you open, you should have it. But sometimes being open, you didn't have it, so I would have to play with this to make it work. See, right now it works, but sometimes, see, right now it's not working, and that should be working. Start it again, works now. Stop. So this switch is acting up too. So there you go. This is the switch for the reverse, but it's the bad one. Let me show you. So it goes, that's the switch right there. So it's the blue wire that goes into this switch. So you take that blue wire and then you run it into the wire, the blue wire. There's 3 wires over there, 2 together and 1 separate. You cut the one that's separate by itself, and you run a wire into the blue wire that's at this switch. and that way you bypass that reversing switch, because that's when you go in reverse, the blades, they will stop. I have more space. I took this off so I can put this more down, so I have more space. And be careful when you put this back, make sure that this goes in here and in there. You see? And that's it. And to test it, you can test it without starting. What you do, you put this in the middle, then you push this up, and you should hear it clicking. If it clicks, you're good to go. But make sure that this switch is pressed here, and all the switches are pressed. Thank you very much.